Hi everybody, this is CA Balakrishna. Most of you people who are in the stock market might have heard the terms large cap companies, mid cap companies and small cap companies. In this video, we are going to understand these terms. Basically, all the companies in the stock market have been categorized under these three categories by SEBI. Now, let us discuss what are the criteria for companies to be classified as large cap or mid cap or small cap. Basically, this categorization will be done based on the market capitalization of the company. So, first of all, we need to understand what is meant by market capitalization. See, let us understand this market capitalization with the help of an example. Let's say market price of a particular company is 10 rupees and total number of outstanding shares of this company are 1000 shares. Now the market capitalization of this company will be 10 multiplied by 1000, that is 10,000 rupees. This is how market capitalization will be calculated. And one of the important factor to be kept in mind while calculating this market capitalization is those shares which are held by promoters are not considered for purpose of calculating this market capitalization. To simply put it, only those shares that are traded by public, that are freely available for trading by public, will only be considered for the purpose of calculating this market capitalization. After understanding this market capitalization, now let us see what is the criteria for classification of companies into large cap, mid cap and small cap. Starting with large cap companies. Under large cap companies, top 1 to 100 companies as per this market capitalization will be classified as large cap companies. You can find these large cap companies in Nifty 100 index. Basically, this Nifty 100 is a index that will comprise 100 companies which are having highest market capitalization. Basically, all these large cap companies will be having an excellent track record, and the market capitalization of these companies will be more than 20,000 crores. And the investors will invest in these companies mostly for long term purpose, and even the investment in these companies is very less risky when compared to investment in other companies. Moving to mid cap companies, as we have discussed that top 100 companies will be categorized as large cap companies. After the 100th company, 101 to 250 companies as per market capitalization will be categorized as mid cap companies. Basically, the market capitalization of these mid cap companies will be from 5,000 crores to 20,000 crores, and you can find these mid cap companies in Nifty 150. Even this Nifty 150 is a index that will be having this mid cap companies, and the investment in this mid cap companies is somewhat riskier when compared to large cap companies. Moving forward towards small cap companies, all the remaining companies which are not covered under large cap and mid cap will be falling under this small cap companies. Also, the investment in this small cap companies will be highly risky, and the chance of these small cap companies turning into multi-bagger stocks is very high. Now that you understood what these large cap, small cap and mid cap companies are, you can make more informed decisions while selecting companies for the purpose of investment. Hope this information was useful to you, and that's it for today guys. Signing off, CA Balakrishna.